Open Cash App and select the Money tab at the bottom. Your version of the app may look slightly different, and the Borrow option only appears for eligible accounts. Scroll down until you see Borrow, then open it. The overview in this example says eligible customers may unlock up to $400. It also lists no credit check, instant access to the borrowed cash, a 5% flat fee, and 4 weeks to pay it back. These are the terms displayed in this walkthrough. Always review the amount, fee, repayment date, and complete loan terms shown in your own account before continuing. Tap Continue. Cash App then explains one way to unlock Borrow. Receive at least $300 in direct deposits during a calendar month. The page highlights guaranteed access after the qualifying deposit, and says that more direct deposit activity may help you qualify for a higher limit. Eligibility and available limits can still vary by account. Tap Continue again to open direct deposit. Under Manual Setup, Cash App provides routing and account details that you can give to your employer. Use the copy buttons to copy each number, or select Fill out a form if your employer needs a document. Scroll down to Automatic Setup. Select Find Your Employer, review the available payroll providers, and tap Get Started to follow the secure setup prompts. Routing and account numbers are private. Never show them in a public video or send them to someone you do not trust. Before accepting a loan, confirm every term directly inside Cash App.